In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for construction management, providing a comprehensive project setup guide. We'll walk you through each step to set up your construction management project efficiently in ClickUp, a tool designed to streamline team collaboration and enhance project tracking. To get started, head over to ClickUp's website and click on the login page. Here you'll enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the ClickUp dashboard, which serves as the hub for all your project activities. Next, we're going to create a new space, which is essentially a dedicated working area for your construction projects. Click the New Space button and type in the name of your construction project. This could be the name of the site, the client, or a specific project code, whatever suits your organization's naming conventions. After entering the name, click on Continue to proceed. Now click on Create Space to establish the foundation for organizing your project. Within this new space, it's useful to set up folders that correspond to each project or phase you're overseeing. To do that, click the plus sign and then select Folder. Name these folders based on whatever makes the most sense for your project, such as Site A Phase 1 or Site B Planning. Once named, hit Create. Within these folders, you'll organize tasks and steps by using lists. Click on List and use the Rename feature to arrange these lists by stages like planning, construction, or other phases that need attention. It's a great way to ensure everything is structured and easy to access. You might want to add another list, perhaps labeled as Construction, to see all tasks involved in this phase. Again, click Create once you have your list set up. A pro tip here is to make use of AI suggestions in ClickUp that can help track project-specific details, which is particularly useful in a busy construction environment. Now, let's explore how to track the progress of these tasks. Click on the construction board to use different views that let you see how everything is moving along. There is also the Gantt schedule view that provides a timeline of your tasks, a fantastic way to visualize project timelines. When you need to emphasize certain tasks or phases, the highlight option helps bring attention to key elements. Finally, you can also click on the construction table to see a detailed list of tasks associated with your project. This can be particularly valuable for meetings or when sharing your project's progress with stakeholders. By following these steps, you're setting up a robust system that makes managing construction projects in ClickUp straightforward, organized, and efficient. The beauty of using ClickUp is its flexibility, allowing you to adapt and customize as per your project's demands. Keep experimenting with views, tasks, and folders to find the best configuration that works for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our videos for additional insights and tutorials.